Hello everyone, welcome to the Deepak SD Nova Hub. In today's video, we are going to learn the complete introduction to SAP SD. In this video, we will going to learn what is SAP, what is ERP, importance of ERP, why the company using the software SAP, advantages, current versions, type of SAP modules, what is the SAP SD, that is a sales and distribution. This is one of the important module. In this video, we will learn about the sales and distribution, functions of an SAP SD, main processes like an OTC with a real-time example, what are the important topics in this, what are the sub-modules in SAP sales and distribution, future scope, career opportunities, and upcoming videos topic. So, let's start. SAP stands for the System Application and Product in the Data Processing. This SAP is a software which was developed in the Germany in 1972 by the 5 IBM employees. They started the SAP to create the software that helps the companies manage their business process in one integrated system. SAP is one of the world's leading ERP software solution used by the companies to manage business process like a sales, purchase, finance, inventory, and HR in one integrated systems. Now, what is ERP? ERP stands for the Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a software which helps the companies to manage and plan all the business activities in one system. There are various departments connected with the ERP such as the sales, purchase, finance, productions, human resources, QM, warehouses, etc. And what is the importance of the ERP? It helps the organization to improve better business plannings, real-time data tracking, reduces the manual work, improve the productivity, better reports. All departments are connected one together in this ERP software. What are the important resources managed in the ERP? Every organization success is depends on the 4 M's. 4 M's means what? Money, material, machinery and manpower. Without money, nothing can be possible. Without material, nothing the product can be produced. Without machinery, we can't produce the finished products. And without man, nothing is possible. So everything is important in the organizations. So why the company are using the SAP? Means you can say what are the various advantages of an SAP. So company uses SAP because it provides many advantages. Some important benefits, we can say that integrated system, real-time data updates, better reporting, improved productivity, high data security, better customer services. SAP is used globally by many multinational companies because it helps manage business operations accurately and efficiently. Here in this slide you can see the SAP versions. First SAP olden version was an SAP R3, then it was converted into SAP ECC 6.0, and in today's world we can see the current technologies are SAP S4HANA, HANA Cloud and SAP BTP, that is a business technology platform. SAP S4HANA is developed on HANA database which provides a high speed processing and the real analytics. Now what are the various types of module comes into the SAP? Before going to the modules, there are two types of categories. First one is the functional category and second one is the technical category. In functional, it uses for different process management such as SAP Sales and Distribution, SAP Material Management, SAP Finance Accounting, SAP Controlling, SAP Production Planning. Likewise, in technical modules, SAP ABAP, SAP Basis, SAP Fiori, SAP BTP and Security. Now, we are going to give the introduction about the specific module named as the SD, that is the Sales and Distribution. What is an SAP SD? SAP SD stands for the Sales and Distribution. It is one of the most important functional module into the SAP. It handles all the processes. It manages the sales activities, sales order, delivery, billing and shipping. What are the various functions of SAP SD? The various functions are customer sales processing, pricing determination, shipping process, billing process, credit management, output determination and availability check. The main process in SAP SD are enquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, picking, packing, billing and the payment. OTP process. OTC process means order to cash process. It mainly handles from order to cash. It includes the enquiry till the payment. In enquiry, the customer orders about the product. In quotation, the manufacturing company gives the quotation about a certain product with a certain price and for the valid period of the quotation price. In order, if the customer gives the specific order for that material, then sales order is placed. For that material, delivery is done. With the reference to the delivery, billing and the payment is done. This is one of the most important concept in SAP SD and is widely used in the real-time projects. Here you can see the proper sequence. First one, it is an inquiry where the customer inquires about the product or the services. The quotation, the company provides the quotation with the price and the terms which I already tell you. Sales order means if the customer confirms the specific product and company creates the sales order. Delivery, products are delivered to the customer. Billing, for that product the invoice is generated for the delivered products. Payment, customer makes the payment against the invoice. Now real-time example, if the customer wants to buy the laptop, first of all he will place the order for that specific product like a laptop. Then sales order will be created, delivery will be done to the product to the customer place, then invoice will be generated and customer payment received. Here you can see the real-time example. This complete process is called the order to cash process. In these important topics in SAP SD are pricing, credit management, delivery, billing, shipping, output determination, back order processing. These topics are very important for the interviews and the real-time projects. Now, the various submodules of SAP SD includes that SAP SD basic functions, SAP SD sales, SAP SD billing, likewise the master data, foreign trade, IDOC interface, shipping and the transportation. These submodules help manage different business requirement in the sales and the distribution. Likewise, other also are available in this PPT. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take it. Moving forward, the future scope of SAP. The future of the SAP is very strong. Many companies are moving from the SAP ECC to SAP S4 HANA. So SAP is growing rapidly in the cloud technology, artificial intelligence, automation, data analytics. Because of this, SAP professionals are highly in the demand worldwide. Career opportunities in SAP SD. SAP provides the excellent career for the both fresher and the experienced professionals. Some popular roles are SAP SD Functional Consultant, SAP Support Consultant, SAP S4 HANA Consultant. SAP professional also receive the good salary package and the good global opportunities. So this was about the SAP introduction. So the upcoming videos will be on the OTC process, pricing, delivery, billing, interview question and answer, real-time support scenarios, and SAP SD codes. So stay connected with this channel. Career scope about SAP SD, I can say that it has an excellent long-term career growth. Many companies hire the SAP consultant for implementation, rollout, and the upgrade projects. Learning the SAP SD can help you build a stable IT career. To conclude this video, I can say that SAP is one of the most powerful ERP system using worldwide. It helps the organization to improve the business efficiency and manage all the department into the one integrated platform. SAP HANA is currently one of the most in demand technologies in the market. If you found this channel and the video useful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, Deepak SD Nova Hub. Thank you for watching.